Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number B9337A. 69,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We've sold this Equinox brand new, black granite metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seat 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, free of dents or dings. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.